Welcome to our channel. Today we how to turn off suggested videos on YouTube homepage, feed customization step by step clearly. Open the YouTube app or website on your device. Log into your YouTube account if you are not already signed in. On the homepage, locate any suggested video that you would like to customize. Hover over the video thumbnail to reveal options. Click on the three vertical dots icon located on the right side of the video thumbnail. From the drop-down menu, select Not Interested. This action will help train the YouTube algorithm to hide similar suggestions. You may also want to continue customizing your feed by directly managing your interests. Go to the menu on the left side of the homepage. Select Library. From the Library section, click on History. Here, you can clear your watch history if you want to reset your suggestions entirely. To further refine your suggestions, visit your account settings. Click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, click on the Privacy tab. Consider adjusting your watch history settings to influence what appears on your homepage. To deactivate watch history, toggle off the Pause Watch History option. A confirmation message may appear. Confirm your choice. Return to the home page to see changes reflected over time. Remember that this process may take some time to fully update your suggested videos. Adjust your preferences periodically to keep your feed aligned with your interests. Enjoy a more personalized YouTube experience tailored just for you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.